Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dolizo Vitamin D3 K2. To begin, simply take one soft gel each day. It is best to take your soft gel with a meal, as this significantly helps your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins D3 and K2. Establishing a consistent daily routine will help you remember to take it and ensure you receive the full benefits over time. Dolizo Vitamin D3 K2 offers powerful support for your overall well-being. Vitamin D3 is crucial for maintaining strong bones and a robust immune system, while vitamin K2 ensures that calcium is properly utilized, directing it to your bones and away from your arteries. For maximum absorption, always take your soft gel with a meal containing some healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil. When using Dolizo Vitamin D3 K2, remember a few key points. Always store the bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. It is important not to exceed the recommended dosage of one soft gel per day, as more is not always better. Also, make sure to regularly discuss your supplement intake with your healthcare provider to ensure it aligns with your health needs. To optimize your Dolizo Vitamin D3 K2 routine, try taking your soft gel at the same time each day. Many find it beneficial to take it with their largest meal, as this often contains more fats, further aiding absorption. Remember, consistency is key to unlocking the full potential of these essential vitamins for your bone and immune health. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.